What are you doing? Hi. What we got going on over here, Rain? Yellow duck? Oh, you want to step inside, son? Yeah, show them your new mask. Say hi.
Hi.
Mommy made a new mask for Arrow. She took his shirt and cut it, right?
I don't mind.
And where is she going now? Where are you going? Hurry up. Hang on. Let me put you on pause. Beep. Alright, here she comes. Okay, what you got now, dude? Oh, is that Hello Kitty mask? Yeah, how did mommy make it?
Mommy cut my shirt and had put this handle with my ear.
Can you do it? Can you put it on yourself? See, we have a Hello Kitty blanket she has. She had a Hello Kitty t-shirt. Hang on, son. And you put it across your eyeballs. And mommy got some of these from some more. Then we got this one here mommy made. Is this your t-shirt, Arrow?
Yeah.
And you already saw that one there. So yeah, we're mommy made masks last night.
I have like Hello Kitty blankets, matching this.
Yeah. Are you gonna be ready to train with Arrow today? Huh? Ran? You gonna be ready? You gonna be like Chariot, Jumbie, Kunyet, right? Jumsuge, huh? Alright. So we've been training with, give a shout out I guess to Force of One Taekwondo that my son goes to now. They're doing classes online, so what we've been doing is watching, I think Zoom is called, so we go there and watch his teacher perform, you know, different things to help teach the children. So, my son's been learning on it. He's been in Taekwondo for 2 years now. So, yeah, it's a lot of fun. Okay, and Rainy, you gonna train good? You gonna do all the kicking and punching? Yeah? Okay. Say da-da. Da-da.